this video, I will show you to check and redeem loyalty point for registered customer in just a few simple steps. Begin by opening the POS screen and select the appropriate order type for the customer. I'm selecting takeaway order type. Search the registered customer by entering their name. Loyalty benefits are available for registered customer only. Select the customer from the drop-down. Then click on the back to items. Add the item to the order based on the customer selection. And then click on Adjust Net Pay to access the loyalty points. Here you can view the available loyalty points, redeem them instantly or adjust the value manually as required. And click on the Validate and Apply. Carefully review updated total to ensure accuracy. And then click on the Proceed to Pay to complete the transaction. Select the cash or EFT cost from here and then confirm the order. Thank you.